rare for tornadoes to hit Louisiana in December. In fact, the past 20 years, only 2 of them. But unfortunately, an EF2 confirmed tornado by the National Weather Service did tear apart the community of Keithtown, Louisiana, just about 25 miles to the southwest of Shreveport. All around the community, you see downed trees, power lines, and homes destroyed and ripped apart. The worst part about this entire situation is that 2 people lost their lives, an 8-year-old boy and his mother. Such strange weather still here this afternoon, with rain and sunshine coming down as this system treks all the way to the east across other southern states like Mississippi, Alabama, and the Florida Panhandle, and potentially Georgia.
Listen to it! Debris! It's crossing right in front of me!
I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.